Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a head-to-head comparison of the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about price. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is priced at $375, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to get into 3D printing without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes in at $399, slightly higher but still affordable. If budget is a major factor, Phrozen might be your best bet. When it comes to resolution, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts a remarkable 22 micrometers resolution, perfect for detailed prints. However, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 takes it up a notch with a staggering 12K resolution at 11,520 by 5,120. Reviewers have noted that the ELEGOO Saturn 3 delivers incredibly sharp and detailed prints, making it the superior choice for high-resolution needs. Surface quality is another important factor. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS promises up to 50% fewer layer lines, which is great for smoother prints. Meanwhile, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 uses a COB UV light source with a Fresnel collimating lens, achieving over 92% light uniformity. According to reviews, this results in prints that are exceptionally smooth and consistent, giving ELEGOO the edge in this category. User experience can make or break your 3D printing journey. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for being beginner-friendly and easy to set up, making it an excellent choice for those new to 3D printing. However, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes with advanced features like dual linear guideways and a laser-carved platform, which reviewers say offer a more professional and robust printing experience. If you're looking for advanced features, ELEGOO is the way to go. Slicing software compatibility is crucial for a seamless printing experience. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is compatible with popular slicers like Lychee, Chitubox, and Tango, offering flexibility. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes with Voxeldance Tango slicing software and offers 3 printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. Reviewers appreciate the versatility and ease of use provided by ELEGOO's software, making it a strong contender in this category. After-sales service can greatly influence your overall satisfaction. Phrozen provides straightforward support, but reviewers have mentioned mixed experiences. On the contrary, ELEGOO promises to reply within 24 hours and offers detailed printing tips and suggestions. Reviewers have praised ELEGOO's customer service for being responsive and helpful, making it a reliable choice if after-sales support is a priority. Both the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA have received positive reviews overall. Reviewers appreciate the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS for its affordability and ease of use, making it a great entry-level option. However, some have noted issues with customer service and print speed. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 is praised for its high resolution, advanced features, and excellent customer support, although a few users have reported inconsistent performance. So, there you have it. Both the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA are excellent 3D printers, each with its unique strengths. Whether you prioritize affordability and ease of use, or advanced features and high resolution, there's a printer for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time on Buy Smart.